Given the seriousness of your intent in using Revit for professional purposes, I recommend customizing your user interface for optimum performance. It is important that you do this before starting your project so that every time you power up Revit, you are welcome with the customized interface that is optimized for productivity. It is important to know that this customization is a recommendation. You don't have to use your Revit like that, but I've been using Revit for over a decade, and trust me, you'll get more if you set up your interface similar to what I'm about to show you. Adjust the height of the project browser and the property panel. As you may have observed, the project browser can get incredibly complex and busy, making navigation through groups and folders time-consuming. Similarly, scrolling through the property panel can be a daunting task. An effective solution is to position the project browser and the property panel side by side. This arrangement provides more screen space and reduces the need for excessive scrolling. To dock the panel side by side, click and drag on the property header. Drag the panel to detach the dock. Now gently position it next to the project browser. Release the mouse once you see the blue highlight. You can also drag the property panel to the right of the screen. Simply drag and hold the panel to the right end of your screen and release the mouse when you see the blue highlight. Personally, I find it more efficient to dock the property panel next to the project browser. This approach I find allows me to keep my eyes and mouse movement concentrated in the same area while accomplishing tasks. This eliminates the need for me to constantly shift my eyes from left to right while I'm trying to model or design in Revit.